Well, what do we have here? Look at this. Baby budgie. Trying to see him right there at the edge of the nest box. That means he's almost ready to be flying and stuff. Because that's Mama right there. And Mama's getting pretty aggressive now. She's like, hey, tired of you looking in my nest. Okay, so we want the update here. I'm going to show you the update. And then I'll show you the ones and see which ones Billy wants to name one of them. And I'll let her name one of them. Go. Whoa. Here they are. Come here, boy. Come here, buddy. You come over here. Here's the oldest one. Whoop, 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 whoop. It's okay. He's about ready to fly the coop. I don't know if they're a he or she or not, because I don't know if you know anything about parakeets, but the male ones on the top of their nose, see their nose? On the top of their nose, the bird's not biting me, she's trying to get a grip. It's blue if it's a boy, and it's clear if it's a girl. Ooh, see him? He's almost fully grown. And then here's the second oldest one. Gray one. Almost kind of gray. So whichever one you want to name, you can. They grow so fast. This is about, what, 25 days old? Okay, back in there. I know. And then here's the squawker. I know you're upset. There's your buddy. See, look, no one's dying. No one's gonna get killed. And then here's the runt. Oops, I gotta clean the cage. The little bald one. It's not really a runt, it's just a late hatcher. So I'm gonna put them in here. There's the update on him. This one's pretty big. He's almost fully feathered. He's going to be eating solid food soon. That's why he was at the door here, or the little hole, because he's about ready to jump and fly. And Mama's right there, not very happy with me. But okay. So we'll call this one bird number 1. Call this bird number 2. Call this one bird number 3. And the runt bird number 4. They're so cool. And see which one you want to name. Okay, there's my budgie update.